Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today y'all, I'm back at it with another foundation review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I have it in the shade L1 Oslo. It's been a long time coming for me to pick this one up. I've been hearing rave reviews about it, so I finally caved. So if you want to see me apply this with both a brush and a sponge, as well as hear my thoughts, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, so like I said, I picked up the new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade L1 Oslo. I don't know why it's taken me so long to pick this up, but alas, here we are. So it's just got your typical pump, and let's go ahead and pump some out on the back of my hand. So it is very, very runny and liquidy and thin, so I'm not gonna hold it up for too long. It's just kind of got like a skincare type scent. So as always, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply half with the beauty blender and half with a brush. So let's do the brush side first. I don't have anything on but my regular skincare and obviously eyeshadow. Please just excuse it. I'm doing a reel at the same time that I'm filming this video, and today is the Euphoria finale, so I felt a little inspired. But I am wearing this beautiful Hela palette. It is from Oden's Eye Cosmetics. It's Angelica Nyqvist collaboration with them. It's beautiful. I digress. Let's apply the foundation. So putting it on my face, it's very thin. I don't think I was really expecting it to be this thin, but it's a very nice, like almost cooling kind of formula. So as always, I have my Sonia G Jumbo Base. I will say this shade is a little pinky for me, but L0, I think in Siberia, is a little too yellow, and I would rather something be pinkier than yellow for my skin. Okay, well that applied so easily, so beautifully, and I mean, I know it's not set down yet, but it almost gives my skin like that glass skin look so far. I don't think the shade match is bad. I mean, y'all, I'm like super, super pale, so it is a little dark, but honestly, I like foundations that are maybe just a teeny tiny bit darker than my skin, just because foundations that like match my skin look like loose leaf paper. And this way I can take stuff down my neck, I can use bronzer on my neck. That's just my personal preference. But that applied really, really beautifully. Like I said, it gives my skin that almost like glass skin effect. And it's really, really beautiful. I'd say it's like a medium coverage. I have some blemishes and it did cover those blemishes up a little bit. But as I've said in some of my previous videos, I don't like a foundation that's gonna like completely cover up my blemishes. That's just a little too full coverage for me. So let's do this side with a beauty blender. Okay, well again, that applied like a damn dream. It blended so quickly, so easily. I think that, I mean, it may, with the beauty blender, have slightly less coverage. Let me know what you think. So this is the beauty blender side, and then this is the brush side. I don't think it's that big of a difference though. Kind of like when I reviewed the Kosas Revealer Foundation. It's kind of like, I think whatever your preference is as far as applying foundation, either one's gonna work and kind of provide the same type of finish. Honestly, I don't think the shade match is very bad. I mean, it's a little bit pinkier than like my chest and stuff, but I don't think it's that bad. Y'all, my skin, it just looks like a more perfected version of itself, but with that extra coverage. So you know how there's certain like tinted moisturizers or light coverage foundations that, you know, just kind of give you that more perfected version, but without the coverage. So this one so far is like a more perfected version of your skin, but with a little added coverage. And it built up on my nose really beautifully. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all see a difference in the brush side versus the beauty blender side? I don't really see a difference. What I do see is that this foundation is absolutely freaking beautiful, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to pick it up. For me, this is like my perfect type of finish. It's dewy without being too dewy, and it just looks very natural and like my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. I mean, like I said, I'm filming a reel with this eyeshadow. It's already gonna be up whenever you see this video. It's over on my Instagram. This foundation is beautiful, okay? I've been hearing people like raving about it, and I was like, oh, it's Nars. Like the only thing that they've really ever done that I love is that Climax eyeshadow palette, but this is really beautiful. I used cream products on my face, and I only set with powder in the areas where I needed it, so like my forehead, my chin, under my eyes. And like my skin, I feel like it looks almost like it has a filter on it, which is really crazy because this formula is like really thin, so you don't think it would provide that kind of coverage and that kind of finish, but like I really love this. I'll leave a pinned comment down below as to how it wears today. I have a couple of things to do around the house. I have some errands to run, so it'll definitely be put through its paces. But like overall, I really love this foundation. It's so beautiful. It's like my perfect finish. It's medium coverage, it's dewy without being too dewy, and it just makes my skin look airbrushed or like it has a filter. So yeah, I'm a fan, and I'm glad that I picked it up. So let me know in the comment section down below if you picked this foundation up. If so, what are your thoughts on it? Do you love it like I do? I'm still just blown away. This is crazy. And if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!